Well, here we are. We're at Friday again. This is Friday, September the 10th. My name is Kat. You're watching the Soul Sister channel, and I have your astrological forecast for today. Before we get started with the forecast, we are going to become balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, all negativity, all toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. One more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the negativity, all the darkness. It's flowing right out of our bodies and flowing away. And in its place, we're being filled by this beautiful white light. This white light is made up of white light love and the will to good. It not only fills our entire body, but it goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we are in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Sun in Virgo affirmation. I embrace my true, authentic self. I shine my light out into the world. We're going to say the affirmation together. We'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher self for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. I embrace my true, authentic self. I shine my light out into the world. Good work. Today is one of those days we want to keep that deep breathing, that time out, very close. The energy has shifted from the last couple of days and shifted big time. We were in this Libra energy, in this intellectual energy, working and figuring things out with the Sun in Virgo. That help us plan, help us strategize, help us really make some good progress on maybe some problems we were having in our relationships. Today, not only do we start the day with Moon in Scorpio at 2:30 today, Venus joins the Moon in Scorpio completely. Now we've completely shifted. This Scorpion energy is very intense emotional energy. So for the next few weeks, we are going to be feeling our way through life. So we need to be very conscious of the emotions that we're experiencing these next few weeks so we can determine where they're coming from, especially with emotions, with this intense Scorpion energy of it intensifies the emotions of romance, of passion, but also of betrayal, of jealousy, of possessiveness. We have to be really careful. If we see those negative emotions coming up for us in the next couple of weeks, we really need to take a look at why they're coming up so that we can heal them. The other thing about this Scorpion energy, it is ruled by the planet Pluto. This energy is the most intense energy of all the planets. It's the energy of transformation, of healing, but it's also the energy of destruction. So if we haven't gotten anywhere on trying to balance and harmonize our relationships up until today, now outer events are going to happen that make us really have to look at whatever the issue is in our relationship, whatever it is in our group, whatever it is in our job that is keeping us from moving forward. Anything that is keeping us out of balance, anything that we look at and it's making us feel jealousy or fear, or we feel like someone's taking advantage of us or someone has betrayed us. What's that about? That is what we need to be looking at. What is that about? Now, like I said, this Scorpion energy, it may be that we are going to need to remove whatever this is in our life so that we can bring harmony and balance back. Do we have to leave a relationship? Do we need to change jobs? We really need to be looking at where these emotions, these intense emotions are originating so that we can bring them balance and harmonize proactively instead of the outer world giving us events that force us to address a situation. Example, this in a job that we really cannot stand. We find that we have given all our power over to our boss. That our boss doesn't honor us, doesn't help us learn and grow. But it is a paycheck, and it is bringing the money in, and we can live fairly comfortably, right? So what's going to happen if we aren't proactive about moving forward out of that relationship with it, which is toxic? Something's going to happen from the outer world. Like maybe we'll get fired, maybe our job will be eliminated. Same with the relationship. If we are having trouble with a personal relationship, especially trust and intimacy issues, if we haven't handled those, if we haven't brought those aspects of our intimate relationship into balance, something's going to happen that force us to take a look, force us. Is it an extramarital affair that we find out about? A good place if we're really having trouble bringing balance and harmony to our relationships, especially our personal, intimate ones. Good time to get some counseling, some therapy, some marriage counseling, get that outside objective opinion to help resolve the issues if we want to continue and try to make the relationship work. So, hard work ahead of us, but it's good work. Not only are those negative emotions heightened, our passion and our romances too. So we might be asking someone to commit to a relationship with us. We may fall in love. We are passionate about someone or something. And tomorrow on Saturday, with this great energy, not only we have the moon in Scorpio and now Venus in Scorpio, the moon makes some nice relationships with Neptune and I think, let me check. I forgot. Mars. And it's another great date night. So really express our passion and our romance on date night. Let's just stay out of the drama pit and not get ourselves, worked up if something doesn't look quite right. We don't go down into the abyss, into betrayal or whatever the dark story that we have. Let's find out the facts first. So enjoy today and tomorrow as much as you can. If it's a good energy, if we're going to begin a relationship or we're going to, begin the sexual relationship with someone we've been dating for a while or however, it's a great start. It's lots and lots of passion. Our guidance, let's see what our guidance is for today and tomorrow. Let's see what the universe has to offer us today. Grandmother Earth. I think we had this on Sunday. Grandmother Earth. Medicine bag. Peace pipe. So Spirit is, our advice for this weekend is quite interesting. Getting in touch with Earth, our earthly bounty. At the beginning of the week, we were grateful. So we want to be grateful again for all our blessings today and tomorrow. We need to be grateful all the time, actually. But Spirit would like us also to connect with the earth, get grounded, because this Scorpion energy is really emotional and really intense. And a way to lessen the intensity is to ground that energy. So, very good idea from Spirit. Spirit says, number one, with this intense Scorpio energy, make sure we're grounded. It might be just getting our feet and sticking it into the dirt and the grass and kind of visualizing roots going down from the bottom of our feet into the core of the earth. It could be doing work, getting into the garden, getting dirty, whatever, doing something physical to ground that Scorpion energy. That's going to be real important today and tomorrow. And Spirit agrees with me. Bring your spiritual medicine bag with you, your 3 deep cleansing breaths today. Make sure that you have that ready to go, as well as your protective bubble. It is really important today that we remember to keep ourselves protected from those really intense energies coming our way. So make sure that we're protected, make sure we have that bubble up, and that we see all the negativity, toxicity going right back to where it came from. We might have to dip in and use our 3 deep cleansing breaths today, and just to get ourselves balanced and centered, because the energy coming at us may be really crazy. And then finally, peace pipe. Some of our relationships that we are in, the issue is there's woundedness, and either we've been harmed or we've harmed someone else. And as we work on our relationships, this Scorpion energy is incredible for healing and transformation. So it's a great time to ask for forgiveness and to work towards balance and harmony. So great words from Spirit Guide. So have a great Friday and Saturday. Come see me on Sunday on the 12th for our weekly astrology forecast that'll go from the 12th through the end of that week. And that comes out Sunday at 6 a.m. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat for the daily inspirational messages. Also, the daily astrological messages do come out at 9 p.m. the night before. If you just can't seem to get to it in the morning, it's always good to have that in your head when you start the day. If anyone is needs assistance in their guided meditation for Virgo, the 15-minute guided meditation is also out on my playlist for you in case you need assistance. Have a great weekend. Remember, everyone, the keynote for the Soul Sister channel, life is lived from the inside out. I will see you Sunday for our weekly astrological forecast. Namaste.